How's it guys, Aiden Cleave here from Bodyboard South Africa, and I really want to invite you to an exciting Breathe and Boogie workshop that we are doing on the 24th of February with ice expansion. It's going to be a full morning of learning how to use your breath, how to expand your rib cage, how to really get access to a whole new dimension of breathing and really give yourself some comfort whenever you're in the water, whether you're bodyboarding, catching waves or just swimming. And the day is going to consist of a morning in our shop down in Muizenberg Beach with the master, Daniel from Ice Expansion. And we're going to be doing some breathwork training in there. Then we're going to head out for a surf and do some real proper testing of the breathing exercises that we've learned in the classroom. Put you through a couple of tests in the water there. And then we're going to finish off the day with a classic ice bath and really just sit you down and expose you to some ice bath therapy and really expose your mind and your body to dealing with something amazing like this. And it's truly going to open up your horizons with your breath work, controlling your mind and giving you that confidence in the ocean. If you'd like to join us, comment down below the word breathe and we'll drop you a DM, and otherwise you can book on our website. We'll add the link below as well. Cheers guys.